It's a bird. No, it's a plane. No, it's Spy. Spy making a run here. Oh, yeah. Sure, Bart. As soon as you click record, we get ourselves a red candle down that the candle burned out long before. Up to 411.23. And I was thinking, yeah, see? Oh, great. I was thinking, I've got that 14-day trade on. What if I looked at a 13-day trade? What kind of action could we get around that 10 to 20 delta? So we got that April 28th trade on the board already. What about on the 27th? Can we get some action because of, oh boy, it keeps going down. Why is that so funny? It's not funny. I wanted to do it live. Here. It's still over 411. So let's keep looking at the numbers here. 14 days out. Wait a minute. Don't you already have that trade in place? Let's go back to the drawing board. We'll surround it. Can we surround that trade? Let's see here. So that's a 427. All right. So then we have a 427 on the board. Can we look to a 426 and a 428 while Spy is, oh, there it goes below 411 now. Good timing, Bart. Hey, back up over. You're like a schizophrenic trader. Sell call. Looking at this call credit spreads again. And we're going to go out to surround. Let's look at the 13-day, April 26th, sell call between the 10 and 20 delta. Yeah. And it's $2 wide. Okay. So we could, we can go all the way up here at this 13 delta. Okay. 88% chance of profit, probability of profit. If we put that on the board here, and then we look all the way to the $8 wide. What's this? What's the next one? Let's go $8 wide and just see what our credit would be. It's because you clicked the wrong button. You got to buy it. You got to buy that. So we'd have a $52 credit, but a much lower delta than our previous 14-day trade. This is a 13-day trade, 53-cent credit. 422 would be our number. That's our, hey, traveling back up. And what did we say? We said like 416 has been the high of the year. It could easily blow through that. We don't know. Our thesis is that it won't, especially once we get some of the earnings on the board starting tomorrow. The big banks will be reporting, but they could hit earnings and surprise me. I think they will hit earnings because they did already revise down during the last earnings report. But if their outlook is gloomy, which I know JP Morgan's is going to be gloomy because, Jamie Dimon, he likes to use words to manipulate us and manipulate the market. So let's look at this trade and just see. We'd have to do the 53 to get it filled right here and right now. If we put 3 contracts on it, put 3 on it, if we review the order, we would have $2,400 in collateral, $159, right? 159 divided by the collateral of 2,400. So that's a 6.6% return in 13 days. Divided by 13, carry the 1, multiply by 365. That'd be 186% return on our collateral with this trade. But again, it can easily blow through our position, and then we take gas and we can lose all the way up to 2,400 minus the $159 credit. But let's see if we can fill that. Spread's already changed just a bit on us, hasn't it? By $1 bill. We'll put it on the board and see if it can fill. What's SPY doing? 411.03 is what it's at, 411.03. So that is not going to fill unless it climbs back up for 1102. What do you say? You going to keep going up or noches? It's going to say noches. Let's replace the order. I'd like to fill it right now. I would. I'd like to fill it right here and right now. I may do 52. 52 will fill it. 52 cents times $356 bills. Let's see if we can fill that call credit spread. And there it is, $156 on our $2,400 collateral. One more time with the math. 156 divided by 2,400 equals that, 6.5% in 13 days. So divided by 13. And then annualize it by multiplying by 365. And that number is totally inaccurate. Let's do the math again. 156 divided by 2,400 equals this. Then we divide again by 13, and then we multiply by 365. There it is, 182% return. And we're going to have to we're going to have to fire up those spreadsheets and keep track of all these in detail to see how each trade transpires. If we're going to be buying them to close, if we're going to be bailing out, if we're going to let them crash through strike prices inadvertently and causing a panic and a pandemonium of losses. But we will keep an eye on that because I thought, hey, with the SPY still tracking up today, can we surround that 14-day trade with a 13, a 14, and a 15-day? So I'll probably wait until the end of the day to put that 15-day on. And then I will likely put on a trade for tomorrow at the end of today on the SPY, which will be a 1 day to expiration. You're speaking real clearly today. I'm a little bit excited. I'm excited to try out some new experiments with the credit spreads and with the SPY. So that's what we have. I wanted to also just take a quick look at my watch list. We made a trade on Tesla, Amazon yesterday. Both of those are working in our favor because we sold puts. Also on Costco. So Costco in our favor today. Citigroup is up, and we do want that 47 strike price call to happen tomorrow if possible. I'd love for it to be called away just right around that $47 number. And this number could be very volatile tomorrow depending on what their earnings say. In fact, I should look to see which bank is reporting their earnings and at what time. Let me go to my Swatch Watch phone real quick just for fun while I have your attention. Kmart shoppers, we have a blue light special going on. Okay, so Thursday, Friday the 14th. So here's what we have. All right, so JP Morgan, Citi, Wells Fargo, United Healthcare, and PNC Financial, all of which report before the market. So that will be very interesting to see what happens. All right, the only thing that I saw on here earlier was this, and there it is. It's Valero. So I'll come back. We'll take a closer look at Valero because I have no puts on the board currently on Valero, and I'd be happy to if I can catch some nice premium. So I'll check right back with you. I got a phone call to make. I saw one of my buddies calling me, but I was in the middle of this video. And you and I, we're buddies now, best friends in stocks, options, and collecting those sweet dividends. So tune in to the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.